Story of Shukracharya and the Sanjivani Vidya. In ancient Indian mythology, Shukracharya, the guru of the Asuras, demons, was known for his immense knowledge and power. One of his most famous abilities was the Sanjivani Vidya, a divine knowledge that could revive the dead. This powerful secret made Shukracharya a formidable force and an essential figure in the ongoing battle between the Devas, gods, and the Asuras. The story of Shukracharya's mastery over the Sanjivani Vidya is closely tied to his deep devotion to Lord Shiva. Shukracharya, the son of sage Brigu and the planet Venus's deity, sought a way to make the Asuras invincible in their constant wars with the Devas. To achieve this, he realized he needed the Sanjivani Vidya, which would allow him to bring fallen Asuras back to life, ensuring that they would never lose a battle. Determined to obtain this knowledge, Shukracharya undertook a severe penance to please Lord Shiva, the god known for granting immense boons to his devotees. Shukracharya's tapasya, austerity, was intense, and for thousands of years he meditated and performed harsh rituals to gain Lord Shiva's favor. Impressed by his dedication, Lord Shiva appeared before Shukracharya and granted him the Sanjivani Vidya as a boon. With this divine power, Shukracharya could now bring the dead back to life, effectively making the Asuras invincible in battle. This greatly tipped the balance of power in favor of the Asuras, as every time they were defeated in battle, Shukracharya would revive them using the Sanjivani Vidya. However, the Devas, led by Lord Indra, realized that Shukracharya's knowledge of the Sanjivani Vidya posed a grave threat to their existence. If they could not defeat the Asuras in battle permanently, their dominance over the three worlds would be lost. Desperate to counter this, Lord Indra turned to Kacha, the son of Brihaspati, the guru of the Devas, to find a solution. Kacha was sent to Shukracharya's ashram to learn the secret of the Sanjivani Vidya. Disguising himself as a humble student, Kacha served Shukracharya with loyalty and dedication. Over time, he gained the trust of both Shukracharya and his daughter Devayani, who fell in love with him. However, the Asuras became suspicious of Kacha's intentions and killed him multiple times to prevent him from learning the Sanjivani Vidya. Each time Kacha was killed, Devayani pleaded with her father to bring him back to life, and Shukracharya, not knowing Kacha's true mission, used the Sanjivani Vidya to revive him. Eventually, Kacha gained Shukracharya's complete trust and learned the secret of the Sanjivani Vidya. After completing his education, Kacha revealed his identity and mission to Shukracharya, leaving the ashram with the knowledge that would help the Devas. Shukracharya, though heartbroken by the betrayal, accepted the inevitable balance between the Devas and Asuras. The Sanjivani Vidya, while remaining with Shukracharya, was now also known to the Devas through Kacha, restoring equilibrium in the cosmic battle between good and evil. Thus, the story of Shukracharya and the Sanjivani Vidya stands as a tale of devotion, power, and the ongoing conflict between the gods and demons.